ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ulat ke jela usatia pal malik haka arpu pratarek ubnai risau arajar arpuway ula play ba ya seminar halor kapang online teaching challenges and opportunities hakaba la sakhi langda vice chancellor jongka school ba nehu u prabha shankar sukla ubalalong usumbot kongsan hagani jingalang kabalalong hadorbar hall jongka raj bhavan shillong Kidon hadu arfongut kino hikai na ki school bo pher jongonong ba Shillong ki balai shimenta hagani seminar bala plong daga Society for Empowerment Education and Development ka badai ka kunhun ka ba angnut ban kentiu ya ka emlang ka salang bad ya ka yo ka kot jongga jella lengba ka pule ka puthi
The seminar on online teaching, challenges and opportunities, which is the need of the hour and about which I don't know anything. मुझे ये इस लर्निंग के बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं है कोशिश करूंगा सीखने की I would like to the unexpected pandemic has brought challenges in the education sector in our country since we follow the traditional classroom teaching system. The introduction to online teaching has been very new and challenges both to the teachers and the students, which has somewhere affected the academic growth of the student. The difficulties in imparting online classes can be due to the insufficient knowledge to the digital method of teaching. Hopefully, this seminar organized by SEED with the help of eminent educationists can throw some light on online teaching, its challenges and also opportunities. I would also like to congratulate the resource persons, Professor Santaram Joshi of Nehu, Shillong and Professor Subhash Chandra Roy of Niri Umyam for sparing their valuable time and helping the organization with their experience and knowledge. I feel happy to see organizations which work to raise the bar of education as education is the gateway to empowerment and development. I convey my best wishes to the organization and all its members for their thoughtful gesture in holding this seminar. I wish them success in the future. Jai Hind.
We strongly believe that education is the raw material for building a rock-solid society which will ultimately contribute to building a strong nation. Here, we talk about education, we mean all forms of education, formal, informal, and vocational. Being an educationist throughout my life and have been dealing with various educational institutions and the children at various levels. During this pandemic, at SEED, we tried our best to contribute in this educational sector in whatever way we could. We specially tried to reach out for the children who could not have access to smartphones or internet connection. In simplest yet innovative way, by creating an audio-based free virtual live classroom where a student can simply dial a phone number and join the class without the need of an internet or smartphone. During this time of pandemic, when we were trying to reach the students, we realized that besides students, teachers also have to go through a lot of upgrades and training at their own levels to understand this technology-driven education system. Since that time, the idea of holding a seminar as well as a training session for teachers came into our minds, and finally, we are here. I would like to thank our Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Satyapal Malik, for his support and guidance to make this seminar possible. Thank you once again, sir.
SEED, Society for Environment, Education and Development. Being a man of seed, I always define the seed in the terms of the Brahma. Because seed have all the type of capability. Not only a small entity, also having the capacity to transfer the character from one generation to other generation. And right time, in the Meghalaya, Srimati Roshni Shubba make a NGO for Society for Environment, Education and Development. Education really playing an important role in the life of any human beings. And this society is only going to empower the children of the Meghalaya for their education. In the COVID era, we know about the impact of COVID on society, not only the society, also the employment, developmental procedure, official activity, etc. As with most teaching methods, online learning also has its own advantage and disadvantage. In this period, online learning really played an important role for disseminating knowledge, not only the disseminating of the knowledge, also disseminating of the information from one individual to other individual, one officers to other officer for managing of this pandemic situations. Every system has their pros and cons. One of the most commonly used terms, the post-pandemic, is the term new normal. The new normal in education sector is the increased use of open source of web learning tools. The teaching community world over is banking upon online learning platforms to continue with the process of educating students. The new normal now is a transferred concept of education with digitized learning at the core of this e-learning revolution. Online learning not only promotes academics but also enables extracurricular activities in virtual mode for students as well. The present day mantra is e-learning in virtual mode, and it is going to stay here for future generation also. So what are the advantages of online learning? Efficiency. Online learning offers teachers an efficient way of delivering lessons to students. Online learning has a number of tools such as videos, PDF, podcasts, e-drivers, data storage, cloud servers, digital notebooks. Also the benefits of the environment. The traditional education system overuse busy work, which is a chronic source of the paper waste. Online learning promotes afforestation by preventing loss of trees, and E. reduce the energy and resources used to recycle paper. Accessibility of time and place. Affordability, online teaching and learning process reduce financial burden on middle class families, as it is far more affordable compared to physical learning. This is because online learning eliminates the cost point of student transportation, student meals, and most important, real estate. Improved student attendance, kind of mechanism in online learning. So students attendance as improve, promotes personalized learning approach. Every student has a different way of learning and adapts herself to his or her comfort practices. Some students are visual learners, while some students prefer to learn through the visual effects. Similarly, some students thrive well in classroom environment, while some are solo learners and easily get distracted by large groups. This system also encourages students test their knowledge at a time.